Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new brokerage listing of ours. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Starting off at the Transom, this boat is powered by a 90 horsepower Mercury command thrust 4-stroke. We've got a swim platform with a reboarding ladder off to the port side and a stainless steel grab handle. Rear quarter seats with backrests that remove. When you take the backrests out, they open up additional rod holders. There's also storage beneath the seats, and these seats do come out if you want to get them totally out of the way. Self-bailing cockpit with a bilge pump in the floor. Fuel fill just forward of the motor in front of the splash well. This is hydraulic steering. The helm seat has an adjustable backrest that converts this to a leaning post, which also allows you to sit facing aft while the driver can lean. Beneath the helm seat, you do have a Livewell on board that's aerated and lit. At the helm, we've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo. The boat has 2 JL audio speakers. Raymarine 7-inch Axiom unit for your chart plotter and sonar. We've got our analog gauges, auxiliary switches, cup holders, charging ports, a compass. With the fishing package that's included on this boat, you do get the tackle storage, dedicated space to mount a fire extinguisher. Stainless steel bimini top on this boat with black canvas. Inside the console you have storage for life jackets, battery trays, your battery switch, anything you want to keep in here. Moving to the bow, we've got a really nice bow cushion, 2-piece cushion set. That does remove. They snap in and out of place. When the cushions are out of the way, you got a nice casting platform here forward with 2 storage lockers. One that can serve as dry storage, a cooler, or a fish box, and another that's designated for your anchor. This boat has the split bow rail, which makes this boat really easy to get on and off of at the beach. Notice we've got the high rails throughout the boat, so plenty safe for the kids. Cushions back in place, and you've converted back to a nice, comfortable cruising boat. Fishing package also includes the cooler seat with cushion and backrest, and the rod holders. This cooler is removable. We'll make our way outside the boat. You can see the exterior. This is the white hull color with chrome and silver graphics. Trailer is included. The trailer does have a swing tongue and brakes. If you'd like more information about this boat, you can call me, Carl Anderson, at 843-574-8289. Check out the listing online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.